Welcome to Happy Life. Today we are going to talk about how to attract money with bay leaves. You probably know bay leaves is a cooking herb for your favorite dishes, and they are easy to find at any grocery store. Indigenous to the Mediterranean region, bay leaves have also been known for ages for protection and abundance magic. In this video, we'll show you what you can do to raise the vibration in your daily life and how to attract money with bay leaves. Here are the 4 ways to attract money using bay leaves. 1. Bay leaves in the wallet to make a new year financially better. Let's start by talking about bay leaves in the wallet. A classic ritual to attract money with bay leaves is to write your wishes on a bay leaf and keep it in your wallet, leaving the leaf there for the first month of the new year. 2. Bay leaves in your wallet all year round. There are also those who simply leave a bay leaf with nothing written on it permanently stored in their wallet, replacing it with another one when it gets too dry, believing that the presence of the leaf inside the wallet may help attracting money. 3. Bay leaves for a raise. If you are looking for a new job or looking to get a pay raise, you should put a bay leaf in your work suitcase or desk. Some people believe that this increases the chances of achieving the result that you are looking for. 4. Bay leaves in uncommon places to attract money and prosperity. Bay leaves can also be put elsewhere, bags, drawers, etc., in places such as home or office, where the person who wishes to benefit spends more time. In any of these places, it's believed that the link between bay leaves and money can act to help with the monetary aspect of the lives of those who deserve it. The most common, however, is to put the bay leaves in the wallet you usually carry with you. The popular culture shows us many examples of rituals to achieve diverse goals, especially loving, professional and financial ones. We are crossing our fingers, hoping that these rituals may help you find the happiness that you are looking for. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe.